Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is May the 2nd. We are out here in Powder. Oh man, bit my tongue. I ain't gonna delete that. We are out here in Powder Springs, but it's really closer to Marietta. So what we're doing today, guys, went out and did a consultation this morning. Another company tried to do the floor and they messed the floor up. So we might end up tackling that job either Tuesday or the following week because he's putting the house on the market. He got some work being done. So anyway, this is Mrs. Martha. I came out here maybe a month ago. Miss Martha, she booked her appointment on the spot. She did have to have some hip surgery. So she wanted to get the floors done after her surgery. So everything went well. I was just talking to her. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a little bit over 700 square feet. Screen and recoat, no UV cure. And it's going to be a pine floor. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so May 2nd on a Friday. Show you what we got going. Pine floor, not too bad, but just needs a good screen and recoat. So we're going to be coming in here. You can tell that these floors were sanded before because you see a lot of chatter marks. But what we're going to be doing, guys, you see a lot of wear up in here. Beautiful floors. So what we're going to be doing is this little back area right here, the laundry room, and then we're going to do this entire kitchen. You can see this, kind of see some wear here, wear there. That's Miss Martha right there, such a sweet lady. This dining room, which is not really too bad. And then coming straight down this hallway. And they got all the furniture moved. I think she said her son moved the furniture because there's some sliders. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Start screening this floor down. All right, guys, stay tuned. And you go on our website, which is 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐘. I'm sorry, .com. I can email you there as well. Thank you. Bye. All right, guys, we got the coating going down. As you can see, looking good, looking good. Had a few new consultations come in. We're going to look at one tomorrow and one next week. One was a referral, so thank you guys for the referrals. So May is a very, very busy month because this is the month where a lot of people are moving, buying and selling. Oh no, we're doing good, Miss Martha. We got the coating going down. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys. Stay tuned. All righty. All right, guys. Look at these floors now. These floors came out great. So Miss Martha's about to come downstairs and check them out. Oh, these look. Huh? Doing good. So take a look at it. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, those worn areas that she was talking about right here, you don't see them anymore. The new finish filled those in. Come on down. Yes, ma'am. This is a beautiful pine floor, guys. This floor definitely stained because it's all one consistent color. But I will say this, I really like this color. It has like a Brazilian cherry look to it. This looks, look at that right there.
That's pretty good.
Thank you, Miss Martha.
That's really good.
Yes. And Miss Martha, how did you hear about me again?
I looked on the internet.
Just on the internet.
I did.
Well, thank you.
I did.
Yep.
Pretty good.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yep, that looks good, guys. Well, thank you. All right, guys. Another happy client. And tomorrow we have a huge, huge screen and recoat with UV cure. And it's a brand new floor. All right, guys. That's going to do it. Beautiful day. See you in the next one.